Tulad ng kanyang ipinangako, na i-donate na ni Miss Universe 2023 Top 10 finalist Michelle D ang perang napanalunan sa Voice for Change. Nitong nagdaang September 21, mismong ang Miss Universe Philippines Organization ang nag-announce ng pag-turnover ng 684,000 peso sa Autism Society Philippines. Binitiwan ng kapuso star at beauty queen ang kanyang promise noong kasagsagan ng paglaban niya sa Miss Universe 2023 pageant last November. Kung matatandaan, ang advocacy ni Michelle sa autism awareness ang naging subject ng kanyang Voice for Change video na bahagi ng Miss Universe competition last year. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ang dalawang kapatid ni Michelle na sina Mazen at Adam ay parehong na-diagnose ng autism kaya naman ang napili niyang beneficiary sa Voice for Change Challenge ay ang Autism Society Philippines. Narito ang buong post ng MUPH hinggil sa pagdodonate ni Michelle ng kanyang cash prize na may titulong, A Voice for Change, A Force for Good. Today, Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle Marquez D gifted her prize for winning the Voice of Change Challenge to the Autism Society of the Philippines. Michelle, together with Jonas Gaffad, Miss Universe Philippines President, trooped to Altaroca Mountain Resort in Antipolo City to personally hand over a check for 684,000 peso. MMD, as many know, has been a lifelong champion of people on the autism spectrum. Michelle shows everyone that even after her stint as Miss Universe Philippines, she remains a staunch ally of her advocacy and a queen in every sense of the word. Thank you, Michelle. Ang buong laman ng statement gamit ang mga hashtag na hashtag Miss Universe Philippines, hashtag Michelle Marquez D, hashtag di patapos, hashtag Voice for Change Gold at hashtag Autism Society of the Philippines. Ngunit bago pa ma-release ang cash reward ng kapuso actress, kinailangan muna niyang isa-publiko sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram broadcast channel, na hindi pa niya natatanggap ang premyo sa Voice for Change Award. Mensahe ng dalaga, the Voice for Change Award was undoubtedly one of the most important and the most personal award to encompass my journey. As you all know, my brothers and those on the autism spectrum have been a lifeline of purpose and passion for the things that I do even before my 7-year pageant journey started. But of course, winning would not have been possible without the hashtag Bayanihan spirit, which didn't come cheap. At present, I am still waiting for the release of the VFC award and I am hoping that they do before the next set of winners. Definitely excited to learn more about the advocacies the delegates are championing for though. All love, sabi ni Michelle. Kasunod nito, tumugon agad ang MUPH at ipinaliwanag na ang cause of delay ay dahil sa proseso ng komunikasyon sa local franchise at hindi sa Miss Universe organization, at makalipas lamang ang ilang oras, masayang ibinalita ni Michelle na nakuha na niya ang premyo.